I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening IMO and confirming you're in the right account. This prevents changing settings for another user. Once the app is loaded, make sure you have the latest update so settings labels match these instructions. Next, tap the profile or menu icon to expose settings. This is where autosave image options live. You're doing this now to avoid wasted navigation later, so proceed directly to settings and look for chats, media, or privacy sections to change behavior. Now you navigate into settings and open chats or media. Those sections usually control how images are handled. You'll see a toggle labeled autosave or save incoming media. Turn that off to stop images from landing in your gallery. Make sure to check any submenus for Wi-Fi only versus all connections, because some apps separate auto-download from autosave. If toggles appear grayed out, you may need to revoke gallery permissions first. Once changed, recheck the toggle so the new behavior takes effect. Finish by confirming the toggle is off and testing with a new incoming picture. This verifies the change. If images still autosave, revoke storage access in your phone's app permissions, because some platforms ignore in-app switches when permissions are granted. Once done, clear IMO cache or restart the app to force settings to apply. If you still see autosaves, reinstall IMO or inspect operating system-level photo permissions. One of these steps will resolve most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.